Now we want to take a look at how we can use the speed equals radius concept in a different way. We're going to use it to pre-plan our approach to some specific corners, some longer radius, 180-degree turns, and see how we can use that concept to either create additional safety or additional speed, because those words are interchangeable for us. In this example, we've got a longer corner than we've looked at previously, and we can see our blue line rider here has a typical approach that we might see at any given track day. The rider comes in, has kind of a later turn in, runs all the way around the bottom, and they basically have to wait and wait and wait before they get pointed in the right direction, and then they can open the throttle and take away lean angle and drive down the racetrack. What we want to think about here is how we can use radius equals speed to pre-plan our approach for this corner. In this diagram, we can see our red line rider comes in, he's got an earlier turn in, he creates a bigger radius, and he's going to have either higher speed or better safety going into the corner. He's going to slow the bike down in the middle of the turn, really get it rotated, and then be in a great position to again have a higher speed or greater safety on his exit. Now, what this means is in the middle of the corner, between our two apexes, we're going to have a slower speed because we have a tighter radius. But understanding that speed equals radius, we just know we have to slow down between our two apexes. So we slow down, get the bike turned, and we have a great shot to drive out of this corner. It's a little bit of an unconventional approach to this corner, but nevertheless, it is the fastest or safest way around this racetrack. So now we know another way that we can utilize the speed equals radius concept for us. We've got another tool in our belt, and we're going to talk about in some later courses how we can really hone that tool, really utilize it even more as we get into some discussions about braking. But that's for a later course. We're going to keep forging ahead with line choice, and we'll see you in the next lesson.